Let's try a dubstep beat. For dubstep, the tempo works kinda different. The average tempo for dubstep is about 140, which would normally seem really fast. But dubstep plays at what is called halftime, which gives it almost a hip-hop vibe in the drums, but the rest of the song elements play at a normal speed. Also, one of the more popular keys for dubstep is F minor, so let's go ahead and set our tempo for 140 and the key to F minor. Now we can click on the drum loop again and set it to dubstep. Now let's take a listen. Pretty cool, right? Notice the key change still has a familiar feel, but sounds just a tad darker. The rhythm of the drums are working, but the tone of them just isn't right yet. Let's take a listen to some other preset tones and see if we can find one that works better. Collision has a good sound we can use for now. Has a nice punchy snare which fits the dubstep vibe we're going for.